It starts suddenly, your body feels unstable, and something isn't right. He walked into the city, but something felt wrong. There was no sound, no movement, nothing alive. The streets were empty, covered in dust and silence. Broken buildings stood around him, like forgotten memories. Every step he took echoed through the dead city. Abandoned cars, shattered windows, everything left behind. It felt like time had stopped here. Then he noticed something ahead, a tall building. It was damaged, but still standing strong. He slowly moved closer, watching every detail. The entrance looked broken, but still open. He reached the door and touched it carefully. Dust fell as the door moved slightly. He pushed it open, revealing darkness inside. The air inside was heavy, filled with dust. Broken furniture scattered across the floor. This place was empty, but usable. He looked around, thinking carefully. Then he made a decision. It starts suddenly, your body feels unstable, and something isn't right. He stood still for a moment, studying the room around him. Dust floated in the air, making every breath heavy. He stepped forward, carefully avoiding broken pieces on the floor. Then he knelt down and started clearing the debris. Piece by piece, he pushed everything aside. The dust kept rising, but he didn't stop. He dragged larger pieces away from the center. Slowly, a small space began to appear. It wasn't clean yet, but it was a start. He kept working, focused, and determined. After some time, the ground became visible. He wiped the surface, removing layers of dust. Now he had a place to sit, but it wasn't enough. He needed something better. He gathered wooden pieces from the debris. Carefully, he placed them on the cleared area, building a simple base, step by step. He adjusted each piece, making it stable. Finally, he stepped back and looked at it. It was rough, but it could work. It starts suddenly, your body feels unstable, and something isn't right. Now he needed one thing: fire. Without heat, he wouldn't survive the night. He gathered small wooden pieces and placed them together, carefully preparing a place for the fire. He took out his fire tool and tried to spark it. Once, twice, it didn't work. The air was cold and heavy with dust. But he didn't give up. Then, finally, a spark caught. A small flame appeared, slowly growing. He moved closer, feeling the warmth. The cold began to fade just a little. He added more wood, making the fire stronger. Now the room felt different, alive. He placed a small container near the fire. He needed something to drink. Slowly, it began to heat up. He waited, watching the fire burn. Then he picked it up and took a sip. For the first time, he felt safe.